I'm so excited to share my first bridal makeup tutorial in 2025 with you all. Since this is my first video of the year, I'll be sharing every step in details to help you recreate this flawless, beautiful, long-lasting bridal look effortlessly. After cleaning her face with micellar water, I hydrated the face with my Mario skin spray to give this face enough moisture, and then I went in with my all-in-one moussing cream from Blossom to moisturize the face. Do not forget emphasis on flawless and glowing skin. I applied it generously on the face and then I dried it out. Do not forget to dry all products out before applying the next one. And then I moisturized the lips with my lip balm. So after that, I went in with my Aqua Grip primer and then I applied it on the T-zones. Look at that skin. I feel like screaming right now. Look at that healthy skin. You know, the best way to achieve a flawless and long-lasting makeup is by prepping the skin with a good product using the right techniques. For foundation application, I use my V Beauty in the shade Milkshake to apply on her face, and I used the Damp Beauty blender. If you noticed, I did not pack too much product to the face. I applied little at a time. Like I would always tell you that a little will go a long way. So do not pack too much product. Can you see that skin match? Look at how that matches with her skin. After that, I used a concealer just one shade darker than her skin to contour below her cheekbone, her forehead, and also her nose. You can see I blended out the concealer seamlessly to avoid harsh lines. And then I went in with the pink blush from my Blossom palette and I applied it on the cheekbone, the bridge of her nose to give it some depth. And also after that, I used my Avoir concealer, just one shade lighter than her skin tone, in the inner corner of her eye, the outer corner, her jaw, and also her nose. So after blending out the first concealer, I went in again with a concealer, Avoir concealer, just two shades lighter than her skin tone to highlight the under eye because I want it to be bright. So after highlighting the face with my Avoir concealer, I went in with the powder, just one shade lighter than a skin tone to highlight the face, just the highlighted areas. And then I went in with my translucent powder to set the under eye.
strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So after setting her under eye, I went in with the powder same shade with her skin tone and I applied it everywhere.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me.
After applying powder on her face, I went in with my small blending brush to apply a contour on her forehead because I didn't want to use a bigger brush to so it doesn't spread out too much product to the A line. So I decided to use a small brush, and you can try that too.
You could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
For eyeshadow application, I used my Benai Clown White to apply on the eyelid before going in with my eyeshadow. And then after blending it out to avoid harsh lines, I went in with an eyeshadow same shade with our skin tone. To transition the eyeshadow, I did not go in with anything dark. I did not go in with a darker shade. That's because I want this makeup to be as natural as possible, because this is going to be the most natural bridal makeup you will see on the internet. After the first eyeshadow transition, I went in with a darker brown, just very little. You can see it there, it's just little, it's not that dark. And then I blended it from the outer corner of her eye to the inner corner of her eye in a circular motion. After that, I applied this nude eyeshadow in the middle of the eye. Please, if you're still watching to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video to as much as you can for it to get to people that need it the most. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see whenever we post our videos.
As you fade away.
After the eyeshadow application, I dust off the fallen eyeshadow on the eyes gently so it doesn't move the makeup. For lips, I used my Blossom lip palette to apply the lip stain on the lips, and I did not want anything extra. I just wanted it to be as natural as possible, so I went ahead to use a pink lip stain and then I blended it out gently. After that, I applied my gloss. After setting the face again, I applied my highlighter from Tehila on the cheekbone, our forehead, our nose, and the bridge of our nose.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
And here we go, guys. Look at that flawless, gorgeous bridal look. I love this look. Just look at how I took it from this to that. I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell to be the first to see our video when we post it. See you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.